Hey guys! Let's talk about this eyeliner here. It's from Kuji by Tsubasa Matsuoka, the Dollywink Eyeliner. See how cute the packaging is. Let's have a close-up on it. Pretty, isn't it? Super cute. It has Tsubasa's picture up front. I really like the packaging of this eyeliner. Super cute. Eyeliner mustache! This eyeliner comes in two colors, black and brown. The black comes in a pink tube and the brown one comes in the blue tube. And I'm wearing it right now. See? Pretty. I love this eyeliner. Maybe try swatching it at the back of our hands and let's see how opaque it is. Oh my god, gorgeous. Maybe try some rubbing on. Oh my god, this is amazing! Look how it did not rub off. Amazing. Maybe let's put it underwater. See if it, bleeds. Oh my god. I'm quite already impressed with this eyeliner. See how I rub it so hard? Oh my god, I really love this eyeliner. Look how impressive this is. Oh my gosh. I hope you try this eyeliner and see you in my next video. Bye bye.